Now confirmed in the city of Cincinnati with an additional 11 people awaiting test results. That information made public about an hour before council approved a measure to borrow millions of dollars. Marielle Carbone is live from City Hall with the very latest. Marielle.
Yeah, well, the mayor saying that that information about those cases really just underscores the need for this funding and really for the measures that they've been taking, social distancing and more, to continue. And we're not just talking about a little bit of money here. They voted today unanimously to borrow up to $150 million to help during this pandemic. Now that money, it can only be used for services related to COVID-19. So city leaders say it's for essential services like fire, police, sanitation. Now really to make sure the city continues to operate during this entire pandemic. Now, there are barriers to make sure money is spent appropriately, and that includes a requirement that council must pass an additional ordinance approving and allocating any spending of that money.
This money cannot be spent. Not one penny of this money can be spent without an additional appropriation ordinance of this city council. I do not want to spend this money.
And that notion that the mayor doesn't want to spend the money, that's what the entire council is saying. This money is only to be used if necessary. It's really just a safety net in case of an emergency. And there are still several approvals up at the state level that this actually needs before the city can actually even borrow this money. And of course, a lender needs to actually agree to lend the money. But the council is saying that it's really important that they're moving on this now, because if they wait on this later down the line, they say they're not sure if banks will actually even be willing to give out this kind of money. Reporting live from City Hall, Marielle Carbone, WCPO 9 News.